Hello, it is VEDA day 15. I have yet to pick up the phone or the camera, and it is 7:30 at night. I think it's 7:30. Is it 7:30?
Maybe a little more, give or take.
7:30 is what the clock says. Anyways, I got Ronnie Lee over here on banister duty. Excuse the walls, they're going to get painted. They've been prepped. I've been noticing our banisters now. Ronnie sanded all these, and he helped his dad put all this in.
Well, I think you're going to love the feel of this, honey. They're getting real.
Yeah, it's real nice.
Can you give me a little more of that oil?
Yeah, I will, but I want to show them first what we're using. We use this Restore and Finish on here. And we dripped a little bit on the floor there, as you can see. But putting a little bit at a time on a rag, and we are shining up these banisters this evening. Really needs to be done. I thought the wood was a little dry. And
I dry no more.
Use this several times, and we're going to do this, and we're going to do the coffee table. That stuff worked amazing because I had two areas. I don't even know if you can see it. Can you see that right there? They used to be like white, and it looked like two rubbed areas on there, and I put that little bit of color stain like stuff I just bought on top of it. Totally covered it. It's not a stain. It's like an oil that you can put on that kind of rejuvenates the wood and gives it a little bit of a gloss and brings the life back to it. I'm out of breath, guys, sorry. But it really did work. I don't know how well you can tell that, but feels, before it felt real dry to the touch even, and this feels real nice and clean, and you can see it's got a shine to it now. Very happy with that, so I highly recommend it. Okay, I did just a little section on this table so you could see a little bit of the difference. Over here is how dry things are, and this is the new. So see the difference of how it does? Now, I still got to kind of rub this in that I put out, but that's the difference. I think it makes a really big difference. Although, I will tell you, don't let kids use this. The smell of it is very, very potent.
No, it's not. Don't let her fool you. It's not that potent.
He says it's not, but I'm just telling you. It smells like stain.
It's a nice oil stain. Smells decent.
Don't let kids play with it. Yep, I put Ronnie to work today.
Oh, this is nice, huh?
Yeah, it's going to look so much better. I mean, I don't mind the distress.
I feel the difference. All the grit.
Yeah, it was real dry. You could just tell that it just needed a little tender, loving care, you know.
A little more oil on the table, sweetheart.
Let me get it. I got him working away.
Man. This is going to look like brand new, honey. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's going to look real good when it's done. And it dries and everything.
It already is.
Yeah, it looks like a totally different table. I mean, there's little imperfections because it's an older table, but that's okay. I don't mind that. But, like, it had this real, you've seen the before and after. It had a real dry. It needed some love. And so that's what we're doing. You okay?
Well, I am, and it looks like my job's done, babes.
Your job is done?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'll get the lower shelf on this thing.
Okay.
Okay. Ronnie took his shirt off. He's like, please don't get me, but I'm hot. I'm wore out now. He put in some good work on this table, man. He did a fantastic job. Look how shiny this thing is. This is so nice looking. I highly recommend that stuff, guys. I highly recommend. Now, they have different ones are for different types of wood. And so, because my banisters was like a walnut color, it shows a color on the side. That was what I got. Now, my table here is a little bit darker, but I figured it would work. I have used this stuff in the past. It's been years, though. Years. I used it on the front of my cabinets.
That's my first time using it.
Yeah, well, I used it on front of some wood cabinets one time, and it made a real...
Now, I sanded the banisters, but I've never done that, but that's pretty...
Yeah, that made it nice, real nice. So I'm real happy with that. Hey, guys. So I know that this video is super super short. But I had a very interesting day today. I was supposed to go to a meeting this morning, and that got canceled, and I have to go at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And I had went to, if you've seen day 13, you would have seen that I went to Menards and I went to Aldi's. And what, did I go anywhere else, Ronnie?
Yes, you did. You
Where?
went to Office
Depot. That's right. Anyhow, I had bought.
So I wasn't with you yesterday.
No, he wasn't with me. But I had bought that Restore finish, and I told Ronnie, I said, you know what? I've heard really great things. It's been years ago that I've used it, but I was wondering if it would work on that coffee table to give it a fresh look, if it would work on the banisters because the wood was very dry. I have tried using.
I missed the garbage.
You did what?
I missed the garbage. I was going to throw my water bottle in there. Oh, and by the way, Menards has some very good spring water.
Yes.
Right now. And
anyhow, he's talking about the water that I bought yesterday. I bought 5 cases of spring water because originally it had been like $3.99 and it was $1.80, and it was really, really good tasting. You really liked it.
Listen to this. Let's see if it has the.
It won't.
Wait. Ah, you go. That's when you know you're gonna.
He opened it up. Anyhow, it is late. It's 11:30 at night, and I'm gonna close this little vlog out for you guys just to tell you if you have some wood things in your house, some furniture or banisters or whatnot. You might want to try the Restore finish because honestly, it did better than I thought it would. Even Ronnie can feel the difference, and I sent pictures to my mother-in-law, the before and after, and she said that she has not seen that coffee table look that good in 30 years. Didn't she?
Yes, he did.
She was very, very happy.
You can tell it was good, and I'm just proud of it. And me, I tell you, I didn't only work on it, but me and my baby did that little project together. And, that's just one of the wonderful things about being married is that you get to do things together. And, the Bible tells us man shouldn't be alone. And I'm glad I'm not alone. I'm glad I got my baby. I sure love her.
I love you too, sweetheart. So that's a wrap, guys. Get with your husbands or boyfriends or girlfriends and use some Restore finish.
Instead of going to McDonald's, make it a date night.
Do a date night and work on some furniture. Anyways, it's late, guys. We have to get up. I have to get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. He's got to get up by 8. So we got an early morning tomorrow. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I hope you guys don't mind this little bit smaller vlog. But we're going to keep this up and get a vlog out to you guys every single day for the month of April. And so far, so good. So I will be talking to y'all again soon. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And give this video a thumbs up if you like the way the coffee table came out, which I do very much so. Good night, guys.